So much fun, the old girl. Very comfortable to ride. Hello everyone, Johnny G, Naked Racer Motor Co. Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about this beautiful 1945 Indian Chief. And it's a New York police bike. You can see here, Peter NYC. And it's a 1945 bike with the open fenders, which is very similar to the military bike that they used in World War II. It's a 1200cc side valve with the leaf spring front end, the plunger rear end. And this is my bike. I've just bought it recently and I've just completed a trip around Tasmania on it and it went flawlessly. It's just a great bike. It's a bit old and used and stuff. It's just got fantastic patina, but it's just lovely to ride. You know, it feels fantastic. It's everything's sort of worn in together and it just rides fantastically. You know, take your hands off the handlebars, just zooms along. It's got the police light on it. It's got a blackout light on it. We've got saddlebags which carry all the little bits and pieces that you might need. There's a tool roll on here, very comprehensive tool roll for things that you might need. You can see the old worn seat and it is so comfortable, this seat. You sit on this all day long, no sore ass. And you know, these things, they're on a pogo, so they've got a spring-loaded seat post. Very, very comfortable to ride. Obviously footboards. This bike has an electric starter on it, so something I'm not a fan of, but you know, it does have it. It came with it when I bought it. I probably will remove it because I prefer them to be original. It looks much better without an electric starter and the battery stuck on the side. But that's something we'll get around to doing much later. Right now it's all working and it's great fun to ride. And when you have the electric starter, you've lost your spot where your battery normally goes inside here and the battery needs to be mounted out here. I'm not a fan. I'm not that old that I can't kickstart a motorcycle, so this will be going back to original. I'll take the starter motor off. We have a fire extinguisher, good thing to have, just in case. Here we have a grease gun, which is also a good thing to have. So you go around the bike, you can grease all your little points. Indians have a lot of grease nipples. They're on the top of the shockers, they're on the seat post here, on your foot controls, all around on the front end. And you keep the bike greased, it'll last forever, you know, just beautiful, beautiful thing. Over here we have the Lincoln carb, which is the original carb, and the air cleaner. This here is your foot clutch and it operates like that. And when you take off, you lift your toe up and away you go. The opposite to a Harley Davidson. Obviously Indian were around before Harley Davidson, so they designed it and then Harley decided to change it. Here we've got a beautiful Indian Corbin Speedo, 110 mile an hour. This is your amp gauge and this is your switch. You can see the switch has the green paint, which is a military switch. You turn that on and then you can turn it further. And then if you want your blackout lights on, if you want your proper lights on, you push that down, turn it again, and that gives you all the lights. So much fun, the old girl. Very comfortable to ride. Very easy to ride. Back to second gear. Throw it into the corner. Pulling you over. What a ripper! Tricky little side stand. But what a great bike to ride. Really puts a smile on my face whenever I ride it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, follow and share. See you in the next video. Adios!